Certainly. sqlite and Python are often used together for lightweight database management. Together for light Python's integration with sqlite has improved over the years, making it easier to work with databases directly from Python code. This tutorial will cover the basics of using sqlite with Python, as well as some of the newer features that have made this integration better over time. Overview of sqlite. sqlite is a self-contained serverless, zero configuration SQL database engine. A zero It's built into Python via the sqlite 3 module, which allows you to create and manage sqlite databases directly from your Python scripts. Setting up sqlite with Python first. Ensure that you have Python installed on your system. Ensure that you have Python You can check this by running bash Python version. If you have Python 3 installed, you should already have the sqlite 3 module available. Basic operations with sqlite in Python. Let's walk through some basic operations: creating a database, creating a table, inserting data, querying data, and updating records. Step 1. Import the sqlite 3 module. Python import sqlite 3. Step 2. Create a database connection. You can create a new sqlite database or connect to an existing one by using the connect method. Where name. Context managers. You can use the with statement to automatically manage database connections. This is a big improvement because it ensures that resources are properly cleaned up. Row factory. You can use the row factory attribute to return rows as dictionaries, which makes working with query results more intuitive. Parameter binding using parameterized queries has become a best practice, and recent versions of sqlite and Python have made this even easier to implement. Support for advanced sql features. Sqlite continues to evolve, supporting more advanced sql features like window functions and commentable expressions tests, allowing for more complex queries. Conclusion: using sqlite with Python is straightforward and efficient. The integration of these two technologies has improved, offering features that make database operations easier and safer. Whether you're rebuilding small applications or prototyping larger systems, sqlite is a great choice for handling data. Feel free to expand on this basic tutorial by exploring more advanced features, such as transactions, error handling, and using external libraries like sqlalchemy for more complex ORM capabilities.